Hey there, travel enthusiasts. Today, we're going to take a tour of the luxurious 12178 Deluxe Balcony Room on the MSC SeaShore. So let's dive right in. Welcome to Get Duffel Must Travel. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share to help our channel grow. We hope you enjoy this room tour. We hope you enjoyed this room tour of the 12178 Deluxe Balcony Room on the MSC SeaShore. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel adventures. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.